Hello guys, welcome to Friday requested practical tutorials. My name is Taylor Cindy, and if you're new, you're welcome, and please subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. You are the best. So today's video guys was requested by Caroline. She wanted to know how to tie knots. So shout out to Caroline for requesting this video because I know it will help a lot of you guys.
Now what is getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah.
So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to tie one strand knot right here as well as two strand knot. So what I mean by one strand knot is I was only picking one strand of hair right here. I usually use this method, one strand knot, when I'm doing the hairline so that it can look natural. As you can see, the knots are very small, you can barely see them. As well as I'm going to show you the two strand knot, which is what I use when I'm doing the back guys. As you can see, let me show you the back. So this right here, this is the two strand knot right here at the back guys, which is I was picking two strands of hair right here. So I'm going to start off by showing you the one strand knot. As you can see, this one right here I was using at the front. So let's get into the tutorial, and if you want a requested tutorial on a Friday, make sure you comment down below and it will come maybe next week, you never know. So we're going to start by a one strand knot. So guys, make sure this hair that is holding the hair is not moving, but if you move both hands, your knots are going to be loose. So I'm going to pass my needle facing down and then coming through the hole like this, and then I'm going to pick one strand of hair and then I'm going to pass it through like this guys, and then I'm going to come right here. I'm going to come and turn like this guys. Let me show you again. I'm going to come and turn like this because I want to hook my hair so that it can pass through the loop. So I'm going to pull it through like this and then pull it. Once your knot is tied and is tight like that guys, that is when you're going to turn your needle facing the other direction, and then you're going to pull the rest of your hair, and make sure this one is resting and the one that is holding the needle is the one that is moving. So let's do another one strand knot. I'm going to pass my needle through like this, and then I'm going to pick my hair and then I'm going to pass it through, and then I'm going to come here and then I'm going to turn right here, and then I'm going to pass the hair through the loop. When the knot is tight, when it's tight guys, that is when you are going to turn your needle and then you're going to pull the rest of the hair guys. Doing this, your knot will be tight guys, your knot will be tight. So let's do it one more time. I'm going to pass my needle through and then I'm going to pick my hair and then I'm going to pull it through guys. As you can see, there's a hole in between right here. This guys, this right here guys, this is where your hair is passing through. Yeah, so I'm going to come here and then I'm going to turn, and make sure that both the sides of your strand of your hair are on your needle so that they can both pass through the loop to tie your knot, and then you're going to pull the rest of the hair guys. That is how I tie a one strand knot. Now let's move on to a two strand knot. So for a two strand knot, I'm going to pass my needle through like this, and then I'm going to pick two strands of hair guys, as you can see right like that. So pass it through, and then I'm going to turn my needle on both sides of the two strands that I just picked guys. As you can see, this side and this side, make sure your needle grabs both of them, and then you're going to pass both of them through the loop. And then when your knot is tight, that is when you turn your needle and then you pull the rest of the hair guys. As you can see, that knot is really tight. Take your time guys, don't be fast. Take your time until you get it. Take your time. Yeah, so let me show you again. Pass your needle through, and then you're going to pick two strands of hair, and then you're going to pass it through, and then you're going to make sure that when you turn your needle right here, you grab all the hair, and then you're going to pass it through When your loop is tight, like when your knot is tight right there, that is when you pull the rest of the hair, guys. When it's tight right here, that is when you pull the rest of the hair so that your knot will be tight, guys. Yeah, so let's do it again. Pass your hair through, and then you're going to twist right here, and then you're going to make sure that it's tight, and then you pull, guys. That is how you tie your knot, guys. That is how you tie. Let's do it again, the 2-strand knot. So you pick your hair, make sure the end that has more hair, this one that is holding the hair, is resting, just resting right there, guys. Don't pull both sides at the same time, your knot will be loose. So just pull a little bit of hair like this, guys, not too much. And then you're going to turn right here, pass your hair through the loop. When your knot is tight, that is when you pull the rest of the hair, guys. That is how you do it. And if you want to know the patterns, right here I'm just ventilating randomly, but if you want to know the patterns, let me know in the comment section down below. You never know, maybe next week requested tutorial might be your comment, guys. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below, and do share to your friends, to your family, to anyone you know who is interested in hair ventilation, guys. And like this video if it was helpful. Let me know what you think about this, guys. Yeah, so I'm just enjoying showing you this. Let's do a 2-strand again. Pull your hair through, and then you're going to turn right here, then pull your hair through the loop, tie your knot. When it's tight, that is when you pull the rest of your hair. And this 1-strand knot, like I said before, I do it on the hairline, and you should start practicing by 1-strand, so that way you won't have stress on making sure that you've picked all the hairs, guys. So again, the 1-strand, just pick your hair, pull it through, and then you're going to twist right here, turn, and then you're going to pull it through. When it's tight, that is when you pull the rest of your hair, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in next week's Friday requested practical videos. And if you have any requests, let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, let me know if you have any requests, and I will pin your tutorial in the next Friday requested tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and like this video. I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.